In this question, we are given a sketch of parts of the curve with this equation. Show that the function of x equals 0 has a root alpha in the interval 1 and 2. So all we need to do is substitute the values x equals 1 and 2 into the function of x and show that there is a change of sign. So when x equals 1, we get minus 0.6321, and when x equals 2, we get 1.103. So given as there is a change in sign and the function is continuous over this interval, we can state that there is a root in this interval. In the next part of this question, we are told to show that the equation f of x equals 0 can be written in this form. So the first thing we need to do is set the function of x equal to 0, and if we add 1 over x squared to both sides, we get this, and after cross multiplying, we get this. So by adding 4x squared to both sides and factorizing x cubed from the left hand side, we get this equation. So if we divide both sides by 2x plus 3 and take the cube root of both sides, we get our final answer. In the final part of this question, we are told to use the iteration formula to find to 4 decimal places the value of x3 and the value of alpha. So in order to determine x2, we need to substitute x1 into the iteration formula, giving us 1.1035 to 4 decimal places. And in order to determine x3, we need to substitute x2 into the iteration formula, giving us 1.1484 to 4 decimal places. And in order to determine our value for alpha, we need to keep on repeating this iterative process. So the value of alpha is 1.1813 to 4 decimal places.